So we took the kids to the park, went down to the store, got the kids some lunch, and I got some chicken, and I made myself a nice chicken salad for lunch. And now I am heading back out, almost exactly where we were, and I'm going to go to, there's this trail that I've been wanting to go look at on my way into work, and I'm gonna go over there, park at the train station because it's at the train station, and I'm gonna go check it out. Hopefully I don't, there's really big bumps right there. I don't completely make a fool out of myself because there's a ton of people right now out jogging and riding their bikes on the trails over there. So I know I'm gonna be a lot slower than everybody, but it's not a competition. I'm just starting out, back out again. I'm surprised how quickly I am back to jogging. I'm not as fast as I was when I ended last time in 2012, but it's getting up there. It's going pretty good. A little breezy out, but I'm here on the trail, my water, and here we go. Hi. I'm in the middle of my walk slash try to jog, and I'm really right next to the Platte Canyon River. It's gorgeous, but I came across this part right here. It's all frozen, not all the way solid, but you can see some cracks here and there, but it's so beautiful. There's ducks and geese over there that are playing in the water. Oh, I think there was a dog that just jumped in the freezing cold water. But I also wanted to stop and talk a minute and say that I'm very proud of myself this last few days. This morning I weighed myself and I was 192, back to 192. So that means I lost like 4 pounds since yesterday. Again, it's probably just fluctuation weight, but it's a loss and I'm gonna take it as a loss. In fact, this shirt that I'm wearing, I bought as a lounge shirt for like pajamas, and when I put it on when I first bought it, it was too tight and it was so uncomfortable. Now I've got breathing room. It's so great. I'm very happy. I'm making progress. Hello. It's cool down time. By the time I'm done, I will have done 3 miles in probably about an hour. Over time, I want to bring that down to half hour, because that's what I was at the peak last time. I was running 3 miles in 35 minutes. That means I can take a 45-minute lunch at work, still have time to change, run, and possibly eat. Okay, that's it for right now. Good morning, it's Monday morning. Yesterday, Sunday, I didn't record anything at all. I did eat pretty good. Had my shake for breakfast, and for lunch, Sean really wanted to go to Red Robin. So we went to Red Robin. He had a hamburger. I had half a salmon sandwich with, like, I had 2 onion rings, just two, even though I wanted more. And I had like 5 French fries. And then I had a half salad, or a full of side salad with ranch. Dinner, I made some beef chilaquiles, which were so good, with my chili that I made last weekend. So good. With some black beans, and I had a small portion. I actually ate less than Haley did. Believe it or not, I did. I just dropped off the kids at daycare, so I'm driving into work. That's why I'm not looking straight at the camera. So, but I've noticed that the day after I exercise, like I work out really, really hard. Like Saturday, I did the 3 miles, and I did it in like 54 minutes, which I found to be very, very good. 54 minutes, and it was 3.12 miles. But yesterday, I noticed that my weight went up, and then today it went down. So I don't know if it's like my muscles like building or what. I thought that was kind of interesting though. Okay, I'll see you at lunch. Okay, this is I think the 3rd or 4th try, because technology has not been my strong point apparently this afternoon's walk. Walking my normal path, the normal way, walking because the top of my foot is hurting. I don't know why. I don't know if my shoe is too tight or what, but I'm just gonna walk today. And then tonight I'm gonna head down to the gym. I need to do some weightlifting because weightlifting is also what helps losing weight. Gaining muscle loses fat. One more thing I almost forgot to mention is Sean can see a difference in my body. He says yesterday, he says, wow, because I can tell you're working out. He says, you look different. So this is working. I've said this now 4 times because, again, technology has not been my friend this afternoon walk. I swear, I tried to record like 4 times. Yes. Must get better. I think I'm gonna try and see if I can find a vlogging camera at a good price. So then I'm not using my phone, and it might be a better quality. Even though I do have the newest iPhone, it has a really good camera. But we'll see. I'll see how much they cost. So, try to jog a little bit, but now I'm getting some shin splints. And I've met a really nice man on my jog, which I'll probably just walk because it hurts. And I think I might need to bring my inhaler next time because I feel like I'm having a bit of asthma. I thought I had some last week, Friday after my jog, and a little bit again after Saturday. So I don't know if it's shoes around me that trigger my asthma more, but I might need to bring my inhaler. So I'm on the treacherous hill back up to my office parking lot. And I actually did jog a little bit more than I thought I was going to, but now my calves really hurt. I need to stretch them out before I go change and go back to work. But I did. By the time I get back to work, it'll probably be about 1 3/4 miles. But today, I made it all the way to the park, around one of the light poles for the street light, and then back. And I'm just at about 30 minutes. Okay, day 7 is done. I did about 40 minutes here at the gym, warmed up on the elliptical, and then I did some weights for waist up. I did some crunches, I did some arm work, and I did a cool down, and Now I'm gonna head back home, make some lunches, and call it a night because it's going on 8 o'clock. Gotta go home and do those things before I can go to bed. I'm tired. Love yourself as you love others.